Gagala kami. Hey, follow to daddy. Daddy. Gala muna kami. Ang init, grabe. Eugene! Eugene! Where are we going? Huh? Okay, no going there. Taraya?
Airport?
Why?
Why?
Why you wanna go airport? Let's go to the airport.
Yes.
Wanna see the airplane, ah? Ginagawa ng pasyalan ng airport. Where? Where's the train, baby? Guys, waiting kami ng airport train here. Our train is from there. Which way? Here or the other side? Oh. At Bandar Tasik Selatan. From Bandar Tasik to which one? KL 201. Let's go. No, I do. It's okay. Yeah, it will. The airport train is coming. It's okay, baby. Don't need to scared. And guys, magagala na naman kami sa airport. I wonder. This is the opposite one. Hey, baby, remove your hands. Hey. Nandito kami sa airport. Ito di.
Daddy, we can see a big, so many airplanes.
Yeah, follow daddy. See. Viewing gallery. Close eyes, baby. Let's go, guys. Nandito na kami sa Tanjong area, viewing area. Eugene, don't look. Eugene, close eyes first. You're so excited. Eugene, not yet. Not yet. Close eyes. Daddy surprise. Close eyes. I don't want. He's so excited. Close. Shh. So excited, guys. Nandito na kami. No. Close eyes, Eugene. Eugene, look. Yeah. Never. So excited. Eugene. Yeah, no more. Oh, he remember the big ants here. What's that, Eugene?
That's an airplane.
Are you happy? How many airplane? You counted?
That's the airplane. That's
So here we are at Terminal 1.
airplane.
Wow, Daddy have a surprise. What's that, Eugene? What is Daddy's surprise? Wow! Oh, wait. You put the wings. Wow, wings. Oh, give it to Daddy. What's that?
That's an airplane.
What do you want to say to Daddy? Eugene. Wow. Happy? Are you happy? Yay! You have an airplane now. Here, we don't need to go here. We don't need to go airport. Don't forget to subscribe. Look at your baby. Baby. So guys, yung asawa ko biglang nawala. Nandun pala, nakikita nyo yun doon. Nandun siya, nandun pa siya. So ayan siya, nandoon siya yung asawa ko. Nandoon, nabili ng takoyaki. Eh, bigla na lang nawawala. Oh my gosh. Basta sa pagkain, hindi na nangyayaya.